Good morning. Drinking my coffee. You guys ever buy coffee because of what it looks like? I am hearing some strange sounds. Like, great. I've summoned Bigfoot. All right, so I'm at the state park. I've had my coffee, and I'm gonna go for a walk, just to see what is around. I cannot. It's funny because I griped about the winter, but the thing that's nice about winter is there's no bugs. This state park has a ton of mosquitoes. So many, like it's crazy. I can't stand still long. Quick walk. Let's see what's here. I woke up this morning with an issue with my eye. It started yesterday. So I have a lovely swollen eye. No makeup. There's no way. Oh, and also, not to mention, this was lovely. I packed, I put 3 eggs in my makeup bag on my way out the door yesterday. Who does that, first of all? And the first thing that happened was I got to the grocery store and opened my door. My makeup bag falls out. Eggs fall. Everything is covered in egg yolk all over the parking lot. Anyway, we got some big trees. Oh, it's so big. So big! There's another big one. Pictures do not do it justice. That thing is freaking huge. I know, it doesn't do it justice. It's a nice trail. However, there are no waterfalls on this trail. Just trees. I might have just stumbled on a little waterfall. I could hear it. Woohoo! Woohoo! Look at this rager. Whew, we got bugs. We got bugs. Quite a steep little hill. Right, what is happening here? Did I stumble across something? Eating a thing? What the heck? Right, just came down this hill right here, and I've stumbled upon this. I don't see any wild animals around here, but yikes. Yikes! Caca! Dude, I'm serious. Like, shoo! Whatever wild animal is here eating that fish, scram. So I'm coming. Dude, I don't know where I'm going. This is not like a good trail. Ooh, I think I see something over there. What is this? This is not a trail. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get closer. Better view. Not planning on swimming. Well, there it is. Little baby. Woohoo! It is Friday. I was informed of a new rule that I'd never heard of before. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it either. It's called Cat Shirt Friday. I've never heard of that, but you know, try to be a good rule follower. Taco Tuesday, Waterfall Wednesday. I've got my cat shirt on for Cat Shirt Friday. It's a pretty place. I've seen a couple of waterfalls. Cat Shirt Friday. Woohoo!